Alright, good evening everyone. Welcome to my channel Banasi Reaction. So today I am here to do the review for Subcase Apple Pencil Gen 2 case. So why I bought it? Because when I was writing accidentally two times I just dropped my pencil. So I thought ki it's costly and it somewhere cost me like near about 10,000. So I need some good protection for this, so I bought it from the Amazon and the name is Subcase, and I have done the unboxing of it and I have used it for 2 days at least, but since I kept it again and to just give the feel of unboxing. So when I got this packet I find it very premium, and my first impression, it looks a premium, cool. So as you can see, this is like this. So there are three extra nib care cases for your tip, and this is the case of the pencil. So let's take it out. So the material is very soft and very much like premium, you can say, and it goes very easily and comes out very easily. This is the hard plastic cap which gives the good look to the pencil. So let's just fix it and see how it goes. Alright then, चलो तो शुरू करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हमें पेंसिल को लगाने के लिए इसको हटाना पड़ता है. अब ये आराम से हट गया, लेकिन जब एक बार पेंसिल अंदर चली जाती है तो नाउ इफ़ यू सी, एक साइड पे फ्लैट है जैसे कि आपकी एप्पल पेंसिल में है, बिकॉज वहाँ पे मैग्नेट रहता है उसको स्नैप करने के लिए, और ये साइड थोड़ा थिक है, ये साइड थोड़ा थिन है. तो लेट्स पुट द पेंसिल इनसाइड. तो हम फ्लैट को फ्लैट की साइड में डालेंगे. तो दिस इज़ द फ्लैट पार्ट ऑफ द पेंसिल which is going inside. So as you can see, it goes easily almost. So now it's in, completely in. So the feel of holding is very nice. When you hold it like this, not on the flatter side, तो थोड़ा सा आपको बड़ा दिखेगा, मतलब लगेगा. But if you hold like this, one finger on the flat side, one finger can be anywhere, so it feels good. It feels like you can write it for a longer period. Okay, chalo. Now let's fix this cap. तो there is a, what we say, that slot. आपको सिंपली इसको प्रेस कर देना है और ये गया अंदर. नाउ ये एक अच्छा फील दे रहा है पेन का. अब ये जो टिप है इसको भी आप ऐसे लगा सकते हो. इसमें भी थोड़ा फ्लैट बना है तो आपको आइडिया देगा कि किस साइड इसको लगाना है. तो नाउ सी, इट्स टोटली फिक्स्ड. अब इसको लेट्स कीप इट एट द टॉप ऑफ द, सी नाउ इट्स वर्किंग. इट सेज एप्पल पेंसिल 100% चार्ज्ड. सॉरी, okay, so let's see the power. So it's okay, not strong enough as it is naked on it, but it's good enough to hold the pencil, and even you shake or you do something, it's not gonna drop down. Okay, so this is the pencil, and one thing I found it very good in this, कि if you want to use the pencil, if you have to take a short note, and so basically you don't have to take it off. You can actually use the pencil with put on this, right? So if you want to open camera is okay. Now if you want to go back, want to open my app store, तो app store खुल गया. And one thing, if you want to use the gesture, you have to tap it on the thinner side, otherwise it's not gonna work. So if I want to see that corner, the pencil corner, now I'm gonna tap here on the thicker side. See, it's not changing, but now check this out. See, now it's changing. Cool. And also if you have to do the note taking, you can, sorry, this is the pencil, you can do the note taking, a quick note taking. and also you can hold like this and you can do the note taking part. So this is the case for you. Now who should buy, who should not? So I'll say कि those who are looking for heavy note take, they should avoid this because not useful. I don't think writing with this case you can write it for a long time. So even if you don't buy, you buy a case which comes for the ear pad, and also there is an extra compartment where you can put your pencil inside. So that will be a much better option rather than buying this case, sub case from Amazon. Okay, but in case you not use that much, then you can buy it. So it's good to have a premium case like that. चलो तो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं, टाटा बाय बाय।